Ladies and gentlemen, at the beginning, I thank the authorities for giving me this opportunity. I congratulate those who have thought of holding this seminar. The need for such a seminar is very great at the present time. It gives an opportunity for those working in this field to meet and exchange views on different matters regarding the small scale industries. The presence of so many leading industrialists, tradesmen, officers, and others here is significant of their deep interest in the development of small scale industries. In a country like ours, where there is a lot of unemployment, the establishment of small scale units is very necessary. I hope many aspects of small scale industries will be dealt with in this seminar. India lives in villages. We should give serious attention for the development of the rural areas. It is therefore necessary that more and more small units should be started in the rural areas so that villages are also developed along with towns and cities. We all know that a large number of big industries depend on the small and cottage units for the supply of spare parts and raw materials. However, there is a feeling in some groups that the quality of products made by the small scale units is not very good. There may be a little truth in this. It should be your responsibility to manufacture goods of quality in any case. I am glad to note that you have a strong organization. You should establish a research and development department to look into the needs of the people and suggest ways for making goods to meet their requirements. We know how Japan has developed small scale industries and how they have helped in their industrial development. I now wish you all every success. Thank you. Dear sir, I shall be very thankful if you can favor me with a good selection of your glassware. It is possible that you may have no more than a slight recollection of me, as it is some weeks since I had the pleasure of taking with you during the All India Glassware exhibition in February last. I remember that you would be glad to give me the opportunity of seeing your many models of lights. I have a large glass retail stores in this city, and I feel sure you will have good demand for your new products in this area. I would like to take up the agency for distribution of your various products. Thanking you, yours faithfully.